Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all viruses on your iPhone. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. So first, what you want to do is go to Settings, and from here we want to find Safari. Once we find Safari, we want to scroll down until we see Clear History and Website Data, and then you want to click on All History and close All tab, and then click on Clear History, because that will remove everything you have ever downloaded or opened. The next way is that we go back, click on your ID, click on iCloud, and from there you want to click on iCloud Drive. Now you have a few options, and maybe your iCloud Drive uses more storage or not, but basically maybe you have downloaded a virus straight to your iCloud Drive, and that could be the culprit. So what you want to do is click on Manage Storage and delete from iCloud. So you want to delete everything that you have ever downloaded to your iCloud. The next option is to go back and click on iCloud Backup and click on Backup Now, so that you back up your entire phone. And from there you want to go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and click on Erase all content and settings, and you basically want to continue from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.